Hello everyone, my name is Daya and I'm from Build with Innovation. In this video, let's learn something about how to set the About Us page and Terms and Policies page, which will be exclusive for your company and website. And to do that, you have to log into your admin panel, and from the side menu, scroll down to get an option called About Page. Here it is. Once you click that, you'll be directed to a page like this where you have to enable the button, toggle button, and give a suitable title for your page. So be it anything as per your needs. I'll just give it as our mission. So yeah, once you give the page title, upload an image, a suitable image for your About Us page by clicking the upload icon. So yeah, this is the image I've uploaded. And if you scroll down, so here you have to give some content about your company, which is the page content, which the users will be able to see. So be it anything regarding your companies, your where it's located, your contact info, or when it started and all. So I'll just give it something regarding to the our mission title, and and you can just edit the text as per your needs. So here there are so many tools here, so you can either make it bold or italic, underline, everything. You can change the fonts. So let me change it to Times New Roman, and you can increase the size. So let me increase it much more. You can change the alignment. You can do whatever you want with this text with the tools here, and you can even add emojis if you want it. Here it is. All you have to do is keep it attractive and content for your customers to see. So once you think you've finished everything, you can just use any of the tools here, and once you've done it, just save it. So it has been saved now. Now let's hop on to the terms and policy page. Again, get back, and from the side menu you'll have an option called terms and privacy. When you click that, so this is the page you'll get where we have 5 tabs, which are nothing but terms and conditions, privacy policy, cancellation policy, refund policy, and shipping. So coming down to terms and conditions, you have to give a content. So here you need not upload any images. You just have to update the privacy policy, be it your user agreement or the policies you undertake to um, to keep the informations you take from the customers private, and the cancellation policy, what you are insisting for the customers to cancel, and the refund policies, like how much you'll refund them, like how much refund will be provided if they return a product or something like that, and all the shipping details. So even here you have all the tools, so it's just the same in every tab. You have to give the content, you just have to type it out, and then once you think everything is done, you have to click the save button. So yeah, and the data will be saved. So that's pretty much about the About Us and Terms and Policy page. You have to upload your policies and terms based on your company's ideologies and the measures you take and all. So thank you for watching.